In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover Evernote. Whether you accidentally deleted an important note or simply changed your mind, this process is straightforward and can save you a lot of headaches. Let's dive right into how you can recover a note within Evernote with just a few simple steps. First, you'll want to open up Evernote. Make sure you have the app downloaded and installed on your computer or device. If you're using a web browser, navigate to Evernote's official website and log in with your credentials. This will bring you to the main dashboard where all your notes are neatly categorized. Once you're in Evernote, direct your attention to the sidebar on the left side of the screen. This area is your navigation hub in Evernote. It usually contains all sorts of categories such as notebooks and recent notes, and if you have a lot of notes, scrolling may help you find exactly what you're looking for. As you scroll down through this sidebar, you'll come across a category labeled Trash. The trash is essentially Evernote's version of a recycle bin or trash can. It's where all your deleted notes end up, giving you a chance to recover them if you've had a change of heart or made a mistake. What's really nice about the trash feature in Evernote is that it keeps your notes safe from permanent deletion right away, offering that cushion of safety for unexpected events. After you've clicked into the trash, you'll see a list of notes that have previously been deleted. These might be organized by date or other criteria, depending on your settings. Take a moment to scan through this deleted notes list and identify the note you wish to recover. Once you've found the note you want to restore, hover over it and right-click. This action will open up a context menu with several options. Among those options, you should see one labeled Restore Note. Click on that, and just like that, the note will be restored to its original location or notebook in Evernote. Restoring a note is as simple as that. It's automatically moved back to where it was before, making it easily accessible once again. This method ensures that anything important you might have lost is right back where you need it. And that's all there is to it. In just these few steps, you're able to recover any deleted note within Evernote, ensuring you have access to all your essential information without hassle. Keep this quick guide in mind the next time you experience an accidental deletion, and you'll handle the situation with ease. Have a great day, and happy note-taking with Evernote.